I will tell the world of how precious you are. You're the Son of God Most High and the King of heaven and universe. Your name is Jesus Christ. You're the hero of the highest throne. I will tell the world of how great you are. You are the mighty King, but you swallowed all the pain. You suffered so much to save my name, so I honor your holy name. I will tell the world of how glorious you are. Your virtues is a beatitude to my soul. Your words bear goodness to my name. Your hopes and dreams for me. Please help me not to fail. I love you, Jesus, to whom I am christened by your holy name. Joseph